How to change country in Binance account. So if you want to change country on your Binance account, this video is for you. After you open up the Binance app like this now, go to this menu at the top left side. From the menu, now go to your profile again. From this option, go to verification. So from this option, all you have to do now, all they need from you is proof of address. All you need to do, just go ahead and give them the address, the current address that you want to add. Let's say now you are living in the US, so you want to change your country to be in US. Just give them the current proof of address. So tap on this get verified plus. So all you need to do from this option now, it says proof of address. Now go ahead and tap on this continue button and give them your current address. So tap on this continue. So from this option now, give them the current address that you want to change. So after you fill in the address like this and tap on continue again. So from this option now, they will use your default address in this option now. Go ahead and change your default address that you enter while they're verifying your Binance account for the first time. After you change the address in this option now, just tap on this continue button again. So from this option now, choose a document to upload. Choose a document from this option. For me, I'll go with this one and tap on this continue. So from there, they will ask you to upload the document. After you upload the document, from there, your country will be changed. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe.